That's touchscreen? Yeah. You guys aren't messing around.
What did you say the place looked like when you first walked in?
Aerospace. Aerospace.
There it is. Wow. Yeah, it looks good. Looks sharp.
That's pretty neat. That's a sporty looking lawnmower, in my opinion.
That's one of my favorite things so far. That's so cool.
Why is it your favorite?
Oh, you just throw the brand back in, and I like how it's molded too. Because a lot of them are just like conveyor belting, and it doesn't look very nice. And I think having it extra flexible too, like you can run a fence post, that type of thing, it's not going to tear.
Is it all Kawasaki engines?
So our heavy duty, so our 910, it'll run Cowie and Briggs. The 710 and down, I'm just running Cowie, but they'll end up running Briggs as well.
Cool.
Has it got like a suspension system?
Nope, because if you do too much of a suspension system, it can go and scalp the grass, right? So you need to try to keep everything level, so it kind of starts rolling up here, and then the deck is close enough to the front so that it's almost in tandem.
Airless tires? Smart idea. That's a good idea.
I-frame, so way more rigid than just doing tube steel.
Yep, that is a very good point.
Beautiful logoed end cap.
There we go. Nothing was missed.
This is 1/2 inch. That's crazy.
Did we design all these flow carts?
Yeah. We actually got manufactured at Road 8 while this is going up.
Really?
Yeah. And this isn't like what a lot of other people do, where they'll buy a company, they'll just paint it a different color and call it their own name, right? Or they'll white label it. This is all for the end user. And so, to get out there and to fix the situation that end users were facing, you have to move fast.
That is true.
So that's the drain hose down there.
Drain right, so then it actually goes straight through.
Good. So it's clean straight to the ground, not dripping everywhere. I like that. These little hand bolts you can get in there.
Yep.
Yeah. That's good. Trailer hitch I like too. You get stuck sometimes. You need a little pull. It's good to have somewhere stiff to pull on.
Or you can pull the competitors out of it.
Rubber's nice.
Yep.
61-inch deck? Dang. Look at the tires on that thing.
Bro.
Wow.
You can step anywhere, so you can go and jump on the deck. Like stand on
Really,
it, and then you even on the,
Wow. Oh, it's comfy. Wow. I think it's nice. Yeah. That's very nice.
Initializing.
That's beautiful.
That's all touchscreen.
That's high res. That's touchscreen?
Yeah. The whole purpose of it is that there's no check engine light. So when something goes wrong, they said, here's what the problem is, here's the error code. So then you know if you need to stop right away, you still got a couple of days, couple hours. If you need to take it into service, can you do it yourself?
And then you need a diagnostics manual or something to say this code number is this problem.
It actually says it right on there.
Yeah, so this is a lot faster. Vehicle health. Voltage, hours. So it tells you life left on oil. That's cool. There you go.
That's pretty sweet. Woo. That's fast.
And a warranty covers everything except for batteries, blades, and tires. So Cowie, they are warranted for 3 years.
Wow.
So that means we're covering it longer.
Surpassed my expectation for sure. That's sweet. It does kind of look like the Batmobile.
It does.